How to get Discord never expires invite link. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so please follow along with me and watch this video until the very end because you don't want to miss any step. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And if you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Now the first thing that you need to do when you want to invite someone to your server, you need to tab on your Discord name and then you will see invite people. From here, now tab on invite people, and here you need to tab on edit invite link because we want to create we want to edit this link. You'll see why you need to do that. So tab on edit invite link, and now this is really important, guys. Please follow along with me, and please go into server invite link settings because you really need to do this instead of so don't use or don't choose 7 days, but rather never. That's really important. Choose never. And now here you need to choose no limit, and now tab on generate a new link, and now all you need to do is to tab on copy, and after you copied this invitation link, you can invite your friends. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos.